children, we now discussing exercise 6.2. Here now we solving second one. Question what gives C. Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 cm from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 cm and measure its length. Here a new word came, that a concentric circle. It means more than one circle have a same center point. That circles are called concentric circles. Here two circles is there. First one, that larger circle's radius is how much is there? 6 cm, and smaller circle's radius is 4 cm. So for this construction, step by step, now we solving this. Step 1, first draw one 6 cm line segment. So first what we doing? 6 cm one line segment we want to that draw. This like keeping 6 cm. For this, here 0 1 0 to 6 cm one line segment we drawn, and that name give a OP. That name what we gave a O and a P we took. Now step 2, take a compass. In that compass take 4 cm distance. That is this like we want to take that 4 cm distance from major scale. Here 0 to, we took that 4 cm distance in the compass, and needle of this compass put on center point O and one circle draw. This like one circle draw which have a 4 cm radius. Now in step 2, what do? Again one we want the circle. Take in a compass OP distance which have a 6 cm distance, and needle of this compass again one time put this point O, and again one circle draw. This like we getting here given concentric circles. These are the given concentric circles. We want to draw this external point, that is a P. That point P through two tangents we want to draw internal circles for that. So in a step 3, what do? Take a more than half of this OP distance. Take a more than half of OP distance, and needle of this compass put on a point O. One arc draw upside and one arc draw downside. This like same. Again one time needle of this compass put on a point P, and one arc draw this side, and here one arc draw this like. Here two arcs are intersecting each other. That intersecting arc through passing one straight line draw, which is a step 4. See, now we are doing this one straight line drawing which passes through this intersecting arcs. This like one we arc drawn. Okay, where this straight line intersecting this OP, that point name give a M. In step 5, take a in a compass OM distance in a compass, and OM distance can take in a compass, and needle of this compass put on a point M, and what do? One circle draw. This like circle draw. Third one circle. This third circle intersecting internal circle here and here. That point's name give a this A, and this point name give a B. In step 6, what do? Join this AP, join this AP, join this AP and BP, which are the required pair of tangents to the given circle through external point, which is the required construction for this like question. Thank you for watching.